Introducing the new Supercloset Complete Dryer Tent Kit. This system comes with everything you need for your post-harvest success. The strength of the award-winning Gorilla Grow Tent protects your crop from light penetration, while a fresh carbon filter and Hurricane inline fan promote healthy airflow for humidity control and odor scrubbing for discreetly eliminating pesky aromas. The custom drying rack assembly is sturdy enough for your most plentiful harvest and easily adjustable to allow for custom spacing to suit your needs. The included hangers offer a convenient way to hang your drying plants to evenly space them for an even cure. An adjustable internal circulation fan assists in keeping your environment fully circulated, eliminating the dangers of high humidity. It works in tandem with your odor protection to keep your dryer system fresh from mold and mildew. Double cinching ducting ports create a light-tight seal around ducting and power cords. And of course, the handy internal tool pouch keeps all of your harvest accessories within reach. The Complete Dryer Tent Kit is the best all-in-one turnkey system for your post-harvest. Easy to set up for when you need the perfect environment and the most efficient way to keep your perpetual grow on schedule. For more information, email or call now and you too can grow like a super pro.